At chika minute na po mga kapuso at nagbabalik para maghatid ng latest sa showbiz happenings ngayong Miyerkules. Walang iba kundi si Lady in Red, Patricia Tumulan. Pat.
Thank you, Miss Vicky. Alright, happy midweek, chikahan mga kapuso. Simple at intimate ang magiging wedding ni na Benjamin Alves at Chelsea Robato this January 28. Pero bago magpalitan ng aiduha, napareminis pa ang dalawa sa kanilang love story. Ichichika yan ni Nelson Canlas.
Matapos ang 1 year ng ma-engage, in-announce na ni Kapuso Hunk Benjamin Alves ang details ng kanilang magiging kasal ni content creator Chelsea May Robato. Gaganapin niyan sa January 28 sa Makati sa isang simple pero intimate na wedding day.
We wanted the place to not to look static, so it's alive. So and it's something immersive. So when you enter the reception area, you feel like you're somewhere else.
Hindi raw bridezilla si Chelsea, pero may isa siyang hiling kay Benjamin.
I didn't have anything in mind, actually. I'm not the dreamer type. The only thing I asked him is, you have to cry when I walk down.
Gusto niya ng harana daw. So,
but I told you the harana thing since our first date.
Yeah, sa reception. But, bahala na. We'll see.
Sa panayam naman sa couple, napa-throwback pa sila sa kanilang love story na over 10 years in the making. Dati raw silang magkababata sa Guam at magkaibigan ng kanilang mga magulang. Pareho din sila ng campus noong nasa college sila. At fun fact, first time sana nilang rumampa in wedding outfits noong 2010 para sa isang fashion show sa Guam.
She was a finale bride to walk. They needed a groom. Eh sabi ko no. Kasi parang ayokong, paano naman mag-groom eh. Parang hindi pa naman ako ready magpakasal. so I mean,
But you knew it was Chelsea?
No, I had no idea.
Hanggang taong 2019, nang mag-cruise muli ang kanilang landas sa tulong ng common friend na si Thea Tolentino.
So Thea's invited to our wedding. Once we got engaged, she was like, you have to invite Thea. Siya yung naging tulay.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.